An angle alpha corresponds to a point on the unit circle root 3 over 2, 1/2. What are the values of sine alpha and cos alpha? All right, well, we have this point right here. Let's label u, x, and y. If this is the unit circle, we can assume that the radius is 1. Okay, so in precalculus, we refer to sine alpha, no longer thinking SOHCAHTOA thoughts. We just know that this is going to be y over r. So in this case, using this point right here and the fact that r is 1, sine alpha is going to be 1/2 over 1, which means sine alpha is just going to be 1/2. Cos alpha is going to be x over r. So in this case, x is root 3 over 2. R is 1. So cos alpha is just root 3 over 2. Okay? Very basic stuff. Just remember, sine alpha is y over r, cos alpha is x over r, and if you needed it, tan alpha would be y over x, but we don't need tan alpha, just those guys. Thanks for watching.